US and world bond yields rose again yesterday, and equity markets returned to risk-off mode. The gold price continued to move higher. Overnight, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, reported decent set of results actually, but signaled to headwinds in the global advertising market. Not much else to add on the macro front really. In UK news, we've continued to see quite a lot of company updates and results. We had an update from Renishaw that said trading conditions remain challenging due to subdued demand, most notably from semiconductor manufacturing sector. It continues to see positive trends in areas such as robotics, defense, and additive manufacturing. Now, like Meta in advertising or Next in terms of understanding what's going on in the UK consumer, Renishaw is a way of taking the pulse of what's going on in the world's advanced manufacturing industries, and specifically those areas it's saying that are seeing positive trends such as additive manufacturing, or otherwise known as 3D printing. That something like that is obviously useful for Xaar, which manufactures the print heads. Other stuff in the UK looks like Safestyle, the manufacturer and supplier of doors and windows to the residential market. Looks like it's the end of the road for them. Their fundraising plans have stalled and looks like they're putting the business up for sale. And the other stock I'd highlight is Hunting, which is an oil and gas services business. It's an engineering company that helps oil companies find oil, and life's been pretty good for them in the last couple of years. And today they've updated that they've received another large order from their titanium stress joints, which is one of their specialist products, particularly large order in South America. But this is a company that's recovery trajectory has been very strong for the last 2 years, and it looks like it's going to continue. And this is signaling that the world is now looking for more fossil fuels. We've also had a story today reported in the Times that Shell is redeploying its staff away from renewable energy projects back into oil and gas projects. We've also seen Greencoat UK Wind, which is a major owner of wind assets onshore and offshore in the UK, reallocating their capital, making a change to their capital allocation policy to return capital to shareholders by way of increased dividends and share buybacks. This is telling you that the economics of building new infrastructure in offshore wind is deteriorated significantly, and that the world is pivoting back to fossil fuels. People might not like it, but that is the reality. It's not easy to do, but the economics are pointing in that direction. And Hunting is going to continue to benefit from this trend as the world is short of oil and gas.